In the third question, it is given the height of a cone is 15 centimeters if its volume is 1570 cubic centimeters, then find the radius of the base and use pi as 3.14. So they have given the height of the cone and its volume, and then we have to find the radius of the base. So let the radius be r. Now we know that the formula for volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So they have given that volume is 1570 cubic centimeters. We know the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1570. Substitute the values of h and pi. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square into 15 is equal to 1570. Transpose everything to the right side except r square. So 1570 multiplied by 1 by 3 get reciprocal, 3 by 1 into 3.14 changes to 1 by 3.14 and 15 changes to 1 by 15. So it comes out to be r square is equal to 100. Now we have to solve for r, so we take square root on both sides. So r is equal to 10 centimeters. It means the radius of base of this cone is 10 centimeters.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.